Good morning, everyone. Right, this morning was one of those days where I just couldn't be bothered, but I knew I had to get it done. So I thought I'll get stuck in. It's around 25 past 8 in the morning, and I've made the bed, as you can see. And this is basically just my morning routine that happens every morning. A little quick hoover and spray mop around, wiping the surfaces. As you know, that cupboard is where I store my beauty products, so it does get dusty and it does get fingerprints on it. So I basically just give it a little wipe down. I always start upstairs, as you know. I've had a shower, I've got some cleaning clothes on, and because it's really warm as well today. So I basically just got stuck in. I hadn't even had my breakfast. I had a shower and yeah, just got stuck in. So I hope this video motivates you. Now I'm going to play you some lovely music while I potter around and clean up. Then I come downstairs. Obviously I've got a full laundry basket because I've just finished my Wednesday, Thursday, Friday in work. So I put the first wash on, which is always a dark wash because it's always the jeans, jumpers, work uniform, stuff like that. So I get that on ready to go into the tumble dryer, although it is a gorgeous day, so it will probably end up on the washing line. I fill my soap powder up, pop it in the washing machine and give it a little drawer a rinse out before I put the fabric softener in. And yeah, that'll take, I think my washing machine takes about an hour and 15 minutes, so I'll bung that into the wash and just carry on with what I'm doing. Folding up little tea towels that are left around. This is just basic things that are lying around from me being in work and things being hectic. So yeah, I'm just going to do the downstairs, but I am going to make this video two parts because obviously it's going to be a bit too long for me to do the lounge and dining room and hall too. So it's Monday today and you'll see part two on Wednesday. I'm back to my normal schedule of posting, which is Monday, Wednesday and Sunday. Now, I know I told you all that I had some lovely, exciting news to share with you all, and I will share that video with you. I think I'm going to post it on Friday. and speak a little bit about what's been going on and what I'm so excited about. So yeah, that's going to come on Friday. And we're coming to an end now. That's obviously the kitchen clean. I've just got the island left to do. And the cleaning products, my favourite cleaning products, as you all know, they're the two products that I use all the time in my kitchen, and that is Dettol antibacterial spray and Barkeeper's Friend. Barkeeper's Friend is what I get asked about an awful lot, and I use it to clean my ceramic sinks and the ceramic hob too. You can use it on almost anything. It's one of the safest cleaning products that I've found to use, and it's one of my favourites. I will always use it. And the Dettol antibacterial spray will always be my favourite. It makes my worktop shine and it doesn't leave any streaks or marks. It's a really safe antibacterial spray. I mean, you can even use this on my dog's beds to spray them to freshen them up. And to me, that is priceless, because there are a lot of cleaning products that you can't use anywhere near dogs. And as you all know, my 3 dogs mean the absolute world to me. So to keep them safe while I'm cleaning is paramount to me. And yeah, Dettol and Barkeeper's Friend are definitely my two favourite cleaning products. They're what I use every time. And that's it, everyone. That's the end of my early Saturday morning speed clean. I really hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. And part 2 will be coming on Wednesday, where I clean the lounge, the dining room and the hall too. Thanks for tuning in, everyone, and have a fabulous day.